Everyone, this is John Paul Zamora and I'm going to show you the solution on how to solve this problem. Find the approximate change in the volume of a rectangular solid caused by increasing each side by 5%. Now first, we should know how to, what is the formula for the volume of finding the rectangular solid. This is equal to length times width times height. And then the change in volume is equal to the volume of the solid when it is increased by 5% and then the original minus the original value of the second solid. And then we have here 5% is equal to 0.05. We're going to use that later. Now for the example, we have the values of length, width, and height, which is equal to 10, 5, and 15. And then if we use the formula for the rectangular solid, it will result to 750 units cubed. And then for the second solid, if increased by 5%, this is how you solve it. 10 times the 0.05 plus the original value, which is equal to 10.5. Then the width, 5 times 0.05 plus 5 is equals to 5.25. And then the height, 15.75. Now to the volume of the second solid will increase each side by 5%. It is equal to 868.21875 units cubed or 868.22 units cubed if rounded off. Now, to solve for the change in the volume of the rectangular solid caused by increasing each side by 5%, we have the formula change in volume is equal to volume of the second solid with side increased by 5% and then minus the original volume. 868.22 minus 750 is equal to 118.22. Now, to find for the percentage of the change in volume with respect to the original value of the original solid, we have percentage of the added volume is equal to 118.22 divided by the volume of the first solid. We have 750. It is equals to 0.16. If we have 16%.